You're the best out of all of them. I read every letter you sent, even when you left town again. Been through hell and then back again. And you're never too serious. They think that you sleep too much.
Hi guys, what's up? So we're currently heading to the airport, and this is 6:54. The good thing is that the road is very free, otherwise it would have been a disaster. But so I think we are just right in time, a check, and yeah, so this is just going to be the intro for the vlog. Hopefully this camera serves me. I've not vlogged in a while with it, so fingers crossed. I just hope it comes out really well. Yeah, we're gonna see when we get to the airport.
Suntan, sunscreen, strawberry, ice cream, midsummer's daydream, sipping in between long days, warm nights, gliding like light kites, sapphire, clear skies, whipped cream, cherry pie.
We just got to the airport now. I don't know if you can see me properly, if you can see me clearly, but I want to pick up one of those carriage so I can get my bags. I'm really nervous. All right, so here is my trolley to get the bags. Ooh.
Every year right around June 21st, yeah. I slip in my swimsuit, diving head first. Everything's coming up roses, peachy. I feel like the world is finally swaying in the sunshine. Oh my, it's looking so fine. Divine fields of lavender, Provence.
Guys, what's up? So I'm settled now. To be honest, I was very nervous. I'm not even going to lie to you guys, because I had to go through a lot of checking. Plus, everywhere I get to, they'll say, okay, why do you have two passports? So I always have to explain that I have a baby. So I'll just say, my baby and I, my baby and I. When we got to the check-in, I was trying to vlog, but I don't know if my camera captured anything. When I submitted my passport, when I showed them, they were asking me a series of questions. Okay, where is the father's consent form? How much do I have with me? They wanted to check my yellow card. What else? I had to show them my baby's immunization. Thank God I even held it down. For some reason, I was like, these people, they may or may not move mad. So I had that with me. What else did they ask for? My yellow card, my baby's immunization. What else? They just checked our passport. And then I had to show them my husband's identity card. They also asked me how much money I had on me. And I only have like 15K on me. So it was saying, why do I have just 15K on me? I said, I'm going to meet my husband. Do I need to have a lot more money? I was just like, okay, I should just change it around, blah. So yeah, now we're all settled, and our boarding has started 8 p.m. rather. So I'm just really chilling here. Let me show you. This place is very fine, but I don't want them to see that I'm vlogging. So started 8 p.m. This is currently about 8:30. So I want to take pictures. I just noticed my microphone was looking all weird. I hate that shit, but now I've adjusted it to fit in here. Hey baby. Hey baby boy. Hello baby. Everybody say hi. Hey baby. Hey.
With the twinkling of secrets, whispering sprinklers, bare feet, fingers running through vineyards.
Currently at immigration. Sorry? Please, can I get a pen? Guys, if you see the way I'm pushing myself and my baby right now, you'll pity me. I have to walk down. I don't even know what gate I'm going to, but we are going. This place is so cold. Thank God I have my baby covered up. See my baby. See my baby. Like, thank God I even brought this stroller. It's making my life a lot easier. I ain't gonna lie.
Blowing hair through the wind as we're spinning. Watercolor world, it's all just beginning. Roses,
Hey guys, so here I had to strap American because they took our stroller. We're at the boarding gate. Oof, that's been hectic carrying all of these things. Now, basically, I just want to wear my sneakers because I had to take them off at the immigration point. I don't know what that is called. And they took my stroller. So, pretty much, that is it. Good to see. So, pretty much, that is it for now. And I only have. Look at me. Look at me. This is my handbag strapped. I'm trying to. Look at my bag strapped to me. This one and my laptop bag here. So pretty much I think we are good. I'm so tired. Let me wear my shoes. Guys, I feel like I swear, even my baby. If you're unable to hear me, so I think we are still going to wait there.
not really trying to date right now. Still trying to figure my own life out. And I don't wanna love anybody else.
Ghetto, real ghetto.
Maybe I'm insecure, or maybe the world is the problem. I guess I'm not really sure. So how do I learn what I'm worth? How do I love myself? Ooh, how do I love myself? Ooh, how do I know I'm enough? How do I learn how to not care so much? How do I love myself?
Guys, we just landed and I'm trying to find a way to navigate everything that's happening. I'm so freaking cold. I'm so freaking cold. Now I've switched to my phone. And we're currently in Johannesburg. So what is gonna happen from here is that my husband is gonna fly down here and he's gonna pick us because this is crazy. I ain't gonna lie, this is a whole bug and I'm literally the last person here. I feel like I'm the last person because I had to wait until when the plane landed before I could change my baby because I didn't want to leave my stuff unattended to. But yeah, let me just stop recording for now. I want to clean my bag and yeah. Bro, it's so cold. I had to pull off my shoes. I had to pull off my sneakers. For some reason, it was really tight. Maybe because of my nails or something, but it was so uncomfortable. It was so comfortable, and I was like, I can't keep doing this. So I decided to take it off. I literally walked all the way from the plane, and it's quite far. Not far, but I mean, for a first 9%, it's far. And thankfully, there was one of oh baby, why are you crying? One of the porters, she helped me with my bag because I have 3 boxes and I have a stroller, I have a baby. So it's quite stressful to be honest. So she was so freaking nice and she helped me. Baby, don't cry. Alright, so I'm breastfeeding my baby and what was I even saying? Okay. I have to go upstairs. My husband said I should go upstairs like to eat because they served one basmati rice on the plane. I think that was my first time of eating basmati. I've never really liked it, so I always avoid it. But I was so freaking hungry. That was the only thing I had, and I had two juice. Yeah, 2 cups of juice. Yeah. What else? I think. Oh yeah, and they gave me a bassinet, but trust me, my Nigerian mind would not allow me leave my baby on that bassinet for so long. So he stayed there for about, I think about maybe 20 minutes max. But the lady said, okay, when the seatbelt light comes on, I have to strap the baby to me. So the one time that I picked him up to strap him to me, I didn't just wanted to put him back because it was really a lot stressful. I couldn't sleep. I need to monitor my baby. So I just held him onto me. I strapped him with a seat belt, and yeah, we landed. So I think the experience is just too busy, nothing serious. Considering I was trying to vlog, I was even the last person to leave the plane because I needed to change his diapers, but I didn't want to leave my bag. My bag was there, my laptop, my phone, my camera. So I didn't want to leave my bag and everything. So I waited until the plane landed and I could actually tell one of those people to look over my stuff. So yeah, that's just it. Right now, it's so cold. I want my baby to finish eating, then I'll get someone to help me with the luggage upstairs. I think the restaurant is upstairs, so I can eat my. Let me tell you what I'm having. So I'm going to. He sent me Morgan Bean. It said, it said when you get there, your order is California omelette. Tell them to remove the bacon, and put bacon instead. I'll come and pay when I get there. Okay. I just need to look for someone that would help me move my stuff. So I'll talk to you guys when we get to Makers and Beam. Is it Beam? That's a Makers. Um, Morgan Bean. So yeah, I'm so tired. All right, so I just got to Morgan Bean now. Aside from the fact that I'm so cold, everything else is pretty good. So this is where we're going to be ending our vlog because obviously the minute my husband joins me, it's no longer a travel with me, travel with a baby for the first time. To get to let's end the vlog here and have another one rolling. So subscribe, like this video. But first impression about SA is that it is beautiful. The airport, like my husband has always said, oh, well, it's not. Let me not say too much, but it is beautiful. It's beautiful. I like the airport. I've ever been here. I applied when I was pregnant. I applied for visa 3 times or 4 times, and these people didn't give me. So good for me. Let's say my baby brought this luck. All right, so catch you later.
¿Cuánto tiempo tengo sin verte? En verdad no quiero creerte. Cuando te fuiste quedó en mi